Hello there, how's your day going so far? Today is a really special day for me because I'm here in front of the camera for the very first time. I have to confess, I'm a pretty shy girl, and I wasn't sure if I could do this, but I mustered up the courage and here I am. It wasn't easy, and there were times when I really didn't want to be filmed, but I pushed through and I'm excited to be sharing this moment with you all. I hope you enjoy the video and I can't wait to see what you think. Today, I want to share a secret with you. It's something that not everyone should know, only certain people. But I've decided to share it with you all, because I think it's important to help others achieve financial success. But before I reveal my secret, I want to ask a small favor from you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It would mean a lot to me and would help me create more content like this. This easy-to-read children's book has generated more than $176,000 in passive income. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to launch a comparable business, beginning with developing the book idea and content, creating high-quality illustrations, all with the help of AI technology. So, if you're keen on generating passive income, watch until the end, because I guarantee this video will provide you with valuable information you won't find anywhere else. I stumbled upon this idea while browsing Amazon for potential passive income concepts for my company. That's when I discovered this product, a children's storybook. You might be thinking, what's so unique about that? However, after researching it, I was taken aback by the amount of money these sellers make by selling simple storybooks like this one. This particular book has over 10,254 ratings, and if we multiply that by the price of the product, which is $13.57, you'll find that the seller has made over $139,000 from this book alone. Let's take a look at another one. This book has received 2,021 ratings, and if we multiply that by the price of $11.90, that's over $24,000, and this one has made over $89,000. The craziest part is that you can publish these books for free using Amazon KDP. So I thought to myself, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT, publish it on Amazon, and generate passive income that earns money while you sleep? That's why I decided to make this video, to help as many people as possible. As y'all know, to create a good storybook, you first gotta come up with a good story idea. So I asked the chatbot to generate a title for a storybook related to kids, and the first answer was, The Magical Adventures of Pepper and Friends. I didn't like that. We needed something more exciting, so I gave it another chance. The Adventures of the Magical Forest Friends sounds good, but we can do better. The Adventures of Sparky and Friends, a magical journey through the enchanted forest. Okay, that sounds like a really exciting story we can start with. Then I asked the chatbot to give me more details about the story, and it turns out that the book is for kids between 4 to 8 years old and is about a group of animal friends who embark on a magical journey through a mystical forest. I really like the idea, so I decided to move forward with this one. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scenes in detail. Chapter 1. The Enchanted Forest. Chapter 2. The Talking Tree. Chapter 3. The Mischievous Fairies. Chapter 4. The Fearsome Dragon. Chapter 5. The Wise Old Owl. Now that we've generated the story outline, we can start creating the actual story content based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter, in my case, The Enchanted Forest, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythmic story. Once it's done, read it. And if you don't like the results, you can always regenerate the answer until you're happy. Then, I did the same for all chapters, and it only took a few minutes to realize that I now had a complete story. Ready to be converted into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything myself. If you think about it, it's actually crazy how fast we came up with the story idea and all the chapters along with the story content. But trust me, we haven't even begun yet because what's coming up next is mind-blowing. So if you've been enjoying the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. We all know that even if you have the best story idea, it won't be good enough without illustrations. And here, you could easily end up paying thousands of dollars for artists to finish the illustrations. But what if I told you that all the images you see on the screen were generated using an AI art generator, and it didn't cost me a penny? Would you believe that? You've probably heard of AI art and how you can generate original images by simply typing in some words. That's exactly what I did to finish the first chapter of my story. Let me show you how. When it comes to AI art generators, there are many options available. I've tried a lot of them, and I've found that Midjourney provides the best experience in my opinion. You can try it for free using the link below this video. Once you've joined their Discord server, you can see all recently generated images. There are millions of users, so you'll notice that new images are generated every second. To generate your image, you need to start a prompt. First, type a / and then imagine. Once you do that, you can start explaining the image you want to generate. Go back to the story chapters you've generated before and copy the first one. In my case, it was introduces the main characters and their homes in the forest. Okay, so now we know the image we want to create. So again, we type /, then imagine, and then your chapter topic. After the image has finished generating, 2 rows of buttons will appear, as you can see. In the top row, U1, U2, U3, and U4 buttons are for upscaling your chosen image, which means generating a larger version of it. In the bottom row, V1, V2, V3, and V4 buttons create 4 new variations similar in overall style and composition to your selected image. So, to recap, if you click on U1, it will upscale the first image, and clicking on V1 will create new variations of the first image. In my case, I liked the first image, so I clicked on U1 to make it bigger. To save the image, right-click and then open the link. After that, right-click again and save it to your device. Let's create the second image of the chapter. Sparky suggests a journey to explore the unknown parts of the forest, but I want to keep the same style as my first image. So here's a simple tip. First, copy the image link, start the prompt, and paste the link before explaining the new image. That way you can maintain the same style. I like the second version, so I clicked on U1 to upscale. Then I did the same to all the images, and in about 30 minutes, I had the illustrations ready to use. I won't repeat the process for all the chapters because the video will be too long, but you get the idea. Start section by section and generate the images based on your story topic. If you still need more help using Midjourney, I'll leave a detailed guide below this video. Now that we've generated the images, let me show you how to combine the text generated using ChatGPT with the images generated using Midjourney. To create a professional-looking storybook, first head to canva.com and search for Storybook. Then click on Create a Blank Storybook. After that, start by uploading the AI-generated images to Canva. Then you can simply drag and drop your first image into the template. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story, and paste it on top of your image. You can now adjust the text as you like. You can change the color, the font style, add shadows, and more. I really like Canva because it's beginner-friendly and it doesn't require any design skills. And on top of that, it's free to use. When you're done, click here to duplicate the template. Doing that will save you a lot of time because now you can add the new image and text while the style remains the same. After that, all you need to do is replicate the same process in all the chapters of your book, and once you're done, save the book as a PDF to print. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very first storybook, and there's only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your book on Amazon. Unfortunately, I won't be able to explain the entire process because it might take another hour, but instead, I've left a step-by-step guide in the description below this video. Here's a quick recap of everything. Step number 1, generate the story idea using ChatGPT. Step number 2, generate the story outline and chapters. Step number 3, generate the illustrations using Midjourney AI art generator. Step number 4, add the story text to the images using Canva and save it as a PDF file. Step number 5, publish your book on Amazon using the guide in the description box. Step number 6, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.